Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be kind of doing a little decorate with me style vlog. So I moved to South Korea just about 2 weeks ago, and I still am living a very, very minimal lifestyle here. And when I say minimal, I mean I have one bowl, I have one mug, and I have one plate. So I have really been putting off getting stuff for my apartment just because I've been so busy, and honestly shopping is not really like, shopping for like house stuff isn't really what I want to do after work. So today is Saturday and I thought today would be the perfect day to do that. I also did want to mention that this is not my apartment tour video, so I'm not going to be going around my apartment and showing you like each individual thing in here, because I want to be settled in here and I want to have it like look how I want it to look before I film that video. But obviously you'll be able to see different glimpses of my tiny little shoebox in this video. I will say though, I have gotten a couple things. Like, it's not like I'm working from bare minimum. I did already get a rug, which I need to get like a vacuum, like a handheld vacuum cleaner, because I wanted a white rug and I'm glad I got one, but it picks up dirt so easily. And I also got like just like a couple of really simple things, like a spoon for cooking, a knife, and I got this plant, I got this. If you watched my vlog, you would have seen all of this stuff. Also, here is one of my closets, and it's like pathetic because I don't have that many hangers, and I've also just been lazy and I've been like throwing stuff in here. So I also am going to get all this organized, but another thing that I need to pick up today are lots of hangers. So here is the little list that I kind of compiled together. So cups, cleaning supplies. I need a stool because I don't have any kind of table here, and I want to have a little stool so I can eat at my kitchen counter. I need more plants just because I love them, lint roller, hangers, and drawers and baskets. So this is my little list that I have going on today. So the first place we're gonna go to is Daiso, and Daiso is a Japanese market that they have here in South Korea, and it's similar to the Dollar Tree, so everything is like pretty cheap. It's like $1 to $10, or like 1,000 to 10,000 won. So that's where we're going to go first. They have like tons of cute little things, and I'm going to vlog inside there because it is awesome. It's also supposed to typhoon today, so I'm really hoping that I don't get caught in that, because it's supposed to start in like a couple hours, but I really do want to film this video. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and throw some shoes on, grab my purse, and we are going to head to Daiso. Also, I would love to get a mattress pad today if I can find one, but I don't even know where I'll be able to get one of those. I might have to order it online. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when I tell you guys that this store has everything, I mean like they have everything. So I'm over at like the dishes right now, but I have hangers, some sponges, cleaning supplies. I got a pot or a little pan because I need to be able to cook more. And that's all so far, but still have not made a dent in this store. We're back from shopping, and I think I had a really successful shopping trip. Just because I got pretty much everything I wanted to. The only thing that I did not get were plants, because it was just gonna be way too much to carry all of this stuff back plus plants. So luckily the plants are literally right next to my house, like the little place. So I am probably gonna go back there this evening, if not tomorrow morning, and grab some plants. But I wanna show you what I did pick up. So first of all, I got a duvet cover, like a nicer one, because this is the one that my apartment came with. I think my school just bought it for me. And it's just super, super thin, and it's just really not cutting it. So I think I'm gonna kind of turn this into like a mattress pad in a way, because I still have not found a mattress pad that will fit this. The one at the store today was way too long, so I did not get it. But yeah, it's nice just to finally have a nice duvet, and like it'll make my room feel a lot more cozy, I think. Didn't plan on getting this, but I saw it and I was like, you know what, I really should get this. So I got this carpet last week, this little small one that I kind of just put in my kitchen, and I wanted to get another one to put throughout my hallway. So I'm going to put this one down. I think that'll also just make it like very cozy. I think carpets are awesome just for decorating. All right, and now I'm gonna show you everything I picked up from Daiso. It's quite a lot of stuff. It's not that much stuff, but I am going to get so much use out of all of this. Last three things are just some more dish things I got. So first I got a little bowl, and this is actually like ceramic glass or whatever. It's just nice to have a nice bowl and not like a little plastic bowl to eat out of. I also got kind of something that like was in the same line. I just got this square plate. I've always loved square plates, so maybe next time I'll get another one. I just did not want to carry a ton of stuff back this time. And then finally, I just realized I forgot to get reusable straws, but I did get just a mason jar for me to have my iced coffee or like bring, you know, green tea or something out with me. It's just always nice to have a mason jar. So that is everything I picked up, and now I'm going to just like set up all of this stuff and show you guys how it looks when it's all kind of put together. It's not that much stuff, but I'm excited. It's gonna make my place feel very cozy, I think. Oh, I love this. I'm so glad I got this rug. Wow. Okay, so I'm about to do my cleaning, but before I do, I'm just having a little snack out of my new bowl. Do you guys eat rice and mango? I think it's literally one of the best things ever. And you can just use frozen mango if you don't want to like buy mango and chop it up, but something about these two, like the combination, oh, it's so good. I could literally eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and never get tired of it. You can put like lemon juice on it to make it sweeter, or you can put that like Cajun stuff on it to give it a little bit of like a flavor. I don't know, I love it. Alright, so it is a little bit later on now, and I just want to update you guys on how everything is looking. So here's my new bedding on my bed, and I love it. I'm so glad I ended up getting it. Just makes my room feel a lot more cozy, and I really want to get some big pillows to put like in front of my headboard, just because it'll make my bed look more full and, you know, cozy and stuff. But I'm struggling to find them here. I haven't seen any, so I might go to Latte department store tomorrow and look for some. If not, I can just order them online. Also, I ended up moving my rug that was over there. I moved it over here. I did like it over there. However, it just got so dirty from when I'd be like standing over there, and I like the idea of like getting out of bed and like walking on carpet. So I moved my rug over here, and then as I showed you guys, I did get another rug and I just put it down right here. I really like this rug. All right, so now I'm gonna open up one of my closets, and I don't want you guys to judge me because the state of this closet is just so bad, but I'm going to tackle this next because I've been avoiding it and I just can't take it any longer. So here is my closet. I have one of the little bar things up there. Another one is down here. However, I'm keeping my luggage at this little bottom section, so I'm only going to be hanging stuff up here, which is okay because I don't even have that many clothes to begin with. But it's a mess. So I ended up getting lots more hangers today. And I'm just going to try and hang everything up, and that way it'll be pretty and I will just not feel the need to like throw everything in here. So I'm going to pull this bag out and hopefully get everything organized. I need to get some kind of tub to put like my bras and my underwear in, and I'll probably just like set it on top of like the luggage right here. I think that would work fine. But I feel so satisfied right now after this transformation. But ta-da, it's so much cleaner and just way more organized. Took me maybe half an hour max. So I'll kind of just show you guys a little run through. I took one of the suitcases out and I just put it in another storage closet I have. I don't really need the extra room right here though, because it's not like I have a ton of clothes anyways. But down here I just hung up some of my more like flowy kind of work pants. Down there I have just folded a few shirts that are only shirts that I'll wear like if I'm going out at night with friends. So I don't really need to have them up there because it's not like I'm partying nonstop every day because I'm working. I have some belts hung up. Here's like a longer cardigan, and then here's like the main section. So I actually had a couple more winter coats hung up before, but I figured I should probably just take them down and put them in storage because it's literally still very warm outside. So I was able to free up some space by doing that. Here are just like my work shirts, and then like sweatshirts and cardigans and jackets that I'll like actually wear. And then down here, I just folded up the rest of my stuff, and this will work fine for now. So I just have jeans. Here are my favorites, little tanks from Forever 21. I just wear them like under shirts and stuff. Here are my Cleo socks. I definitely don't wear these that much, but I just love how I can open my closet and see Cleo's face, so I just put them right there. And then here are just like my little pajama clothes that I like to wear to bed. And then I have my sweatpants and some leggings and then shorts back here. And yeah, I've been like buying more jeans lately though, so I've been like much more of a jean gal lately compared to shorts, but I just have like a few pairs of shorts. I really did pack very light to come here, and I'm glad I did because as you guys can tell, I don't have a ton of storage. Luckily, I do have another closet, but I don't use it for clothes. I use it just for like shoes and other storage, and you will see more of that in my main apartment video. Alright, so it's about 6:45. I'm about to go hop on the subway and hang out with my coworker Esther. I just want to show you my little outfit. I got these jeans this week actually. They're kind of like a high water style. This style is actually very popular here, so had to get me some. Hi guys, so it is the next day now. It's currently Sunday night and I just got back from the store and I have one more addition for my apartment before I close off this video. So I went to a department store earlier this evening, as you guys saw, and I saw like a ton of plants and they had like plant holders. I think I found something that's going to work. Okay, so I ended up finding this, which as you can see on the photo, it's like a little stand that you can just put plants on, and I think it would fit perfectly over there. And then I also found just some fake plants because I'm not trying to like kill a bunch of plants off the bat, you know? And then I found some of these like little holders for them, and I wanted to get like a couple different kinds, so I also got this, which this was in like the basket section. It wasn't even like the planter section. So I'm gonna try and set all this up and just see how it looks. If this is too short for over there, like if it's not tall enough, I can just put some books or something under it. But let's figure it out. Alright, so here is the end result, and my predictions were correct. It's not tall enough. Like what I wanted is something, and I don't know why I didn't just measure them in the store, but I wanted something that would come up to like right here, you know, and then that way the plants would be sticking up like at the foot of my bed. But what's nice is this is a really easy fix, and I'm just gonna get maybe like a couple of buckets or something that I can just put the legs on to give it some height. But I really do like how this looks. Like overall, I think this is a really cute look, and I might end up getting another one of this set type of things for like my front entranceway. I think that would be cute to have some plants at the front. And for all of this stuff, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things, it was 20 bucks in total. So I think that's like a really good deal for just like a cute little piece of decor. And it's gonna add a lot when I heighten it, because I know right now it just looks very pathetic back there. Oh my gosh, it looks so pathetic. But I think when I heighten it, it'll be nice. And then maybe I can get like 2 more, like maybe like a tall, I don't know. I kind of just want to like add something to this space because it's like this awkward gap I have. Anyways, I think that is going to sum up this video. As I said, I'll probably do like a part 2 to this if I end up doing more decorating and stuff like that. I love showing you guys kind of like how I'm gradually fixing this place up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you all had a great weekend. I'm going to be uploading this video. It's so trippy. So it is Sunday evening here in Korea. It's about 7 p.m. and I'm gonna be uploading this video at 9 a.m. Sunday in America Eastern time. So I'm literally going back 13 hours to upload this video, which is so bizarre. I kind of like being ahead of the States though, because I can finish editing my videos later and still get them up like before. It's kind of confusing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what other type of content you want to see. Also, I'm sorry for the lack of videos last week. I was filming, I just did not have the chance to edit them, but I did all my editing today, so you'll probably have at least 2 more videos from me this week. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye guys.